Yeah. Yay! So, send in the Facebook to him. Gusto mong gunting? Then? No, that's
Just send me
it.
a picture of, I already got this. I already got this.
Bag, butang ito yung regalo.
It's a big purse.
Nabuksan na?
How was she carrying
Ito din, oh.
Dang.
Sobrang pagkano, ha? Fairness, ha? Sobra, oh. Ito na din, oh. Ito na din, oh. Sus, everybody's excited.
Mga damit ko lang to. Sus naman.
Hindi na ipapauwiin.
Because you don't have a
big suspense.
Pag ito mga damit ko, magpapamisa pa ako.
Pati mga bata, na-excited na. Pinakamalaking box. Yeah, kid is so excited to see the big box. See, well, I wish you could have that too.
What's in it? Yeah, that's what we're asking. What's in it?
Sabay pahid oh. Ang batang ko, napakasuplado. Suplado mo naman, bebe.
Hurry up.
Ano ba yan? Ayaw pa buksan. Grabe. Papahigan mo na kaya din.
Tinutulungan pa ako. Come on, bebe.
CJ.
Alis, kuya.
Ito tayo, pauwi na talaga ako. Luggage? Pauwi na talaga ako. Pauwi na talaga ako.
Yan, hindi ka na magreklamo. Mabigat yan. Alam mo. Sa Pilipinas. Hindi dadalhin na dito. Oo, mabigat yan.
Hindi na lang sa Pilipinas.
Eh, halibin. Anong naman, damit? Saan mo na
She's gonna go home with this. She's not gonna come back.
Yeah. Oh, okay. After let's go. Oh. Mahal talaga siya ni itim. Oh. Oh, candy, candy.
Justin, that's not yours.
Oh my God. Too much. Parang bata, ginawa ng bata. Ang dami din. Ano ba yan?
Can I have
Kaya naman palang bigat-bigat eh. Kaya pala ang bigat.
Pinauwi na nga, lagyan din.
What's the white? I got
What is that?
water. Glasses.
Oh, may isusot mo na ito din. Oh, susunod mo na yun. Oh. Yeah! Yeah!
Can I have the blue ribbon?
Nagpagod pa siya niya grabe.
Pinaghirapan ko.
Alam mo ba kung magkano ang value raw niyan? Sinabi pa kay Paul, 1,000. Ay, buwisit, dalawa na.
Oh, yeah, dalawa.
It's okay. That's okay. Mag-exercise ka na.
Ano? Games. Assassin.
50 yan. 50 yung game na yan. 50 yung game na yan.
I'm getting the ribbon. I want this one. Hey.
Ito, kalendaryo siguro to. Justin Bieber eh.
I want the blue ribbon.
Gusto niya ng blue ribbon daw.
Oh, you want the blue ribbon?
Yeah.
Where is it?
I got this. Right there.
Grabe siya. Pati kulay, imamatch niya pa lahat.
Oh no, it's stuck.
I got
I'll get it in a minute.
I got green ready.
I got a green one too. It's right here.
You're watching South Park? You shouldn't watch that. That's for adults.
They cuss a lot.
Not South Park. Okay, the show is
I
finished.
want the blue.
Ano pa yung iba?
Ha?
Tape.
Yung mga gift card niya, ipakita mo na kunyari, binuksan mo din. Nako, sabi niya, bakit minis niya ang ano ko, gift card ko? Si Nonoy gusto na yung Jollibee.
No, Baba, that's not yours.
Dulce. Oh, next! Sana si Amado. Ako naman.
Mommy, you dropped one of your dolls. I'm gonna make some out.
Ako naman, honey.
Pauwi.
Ako naman. Alright, I got TV.
You got TV?